Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we've made it. We're about to hit 500 subscribers. We're probably 20 people off of it by the time this video goes up. And that's an awesome achievement, and obviously I couldn't do any of this without your support. I love seeing your comments, and I hope I'm supporting you by giving you these videos. And I hope, you know, it helps you with your car, the mods that you're doing to your car. And I hope I help in some way. But giveaway time. So, DC 3D Designs has been kind enough to donate 4 hole fillers. So this is your handbrake hole filler. So hopefully you can see that. They've been kind enough to donate 4 of these for the giveaway, which I think is extremely kind. So a massive thank you to them. Obviously it really helps me out in terms of allowing me to kind of keep bringing you guys content rather than spending a lot of money to do these giveaways. But obviously I would have kind of wanted to give something back to you guys regardless. But anyway, really kind that they've donated 4 of these. So the way we're going to do it, we're going to have 3 given away on YouTube, 1 given away on Instagram. Now the way we are going to do the YouTube one will be, first of all, you must be subscribed. Obviously that's big for me. The more people I can get watching my videos, the quicker we can expand, and the more, obviously, if my name gets out, the more content I can bring, that kind of thing. So number 1, subscribe. Number 2, like this video. So make sure you're hitting that like button down below. I think it's down that corner. It might be down that corner, I'm not sure. So make sure you hit like, make sure you subscribe, and the third and final one is you must leave a comment in the description or in the comment boxes below. The comment itself will appear here. So right here is your comment. It will be floating above my head. If you put that comment in here, you will be entered in to win 1 of these. They look like drugs. They're not drugs. They're handbrake hole fillers for the Fiesta. Obviously these are the gel overlay ones, so they've got the gel ST badge. If you really want to, if you have just like a ZS and you don't want to have the ST badge, or if you have just a normal one, you can, to my knowledge, pull off the gel badge if you really want to. But that's that giveaway for this one. So there's going to be 4 of these for this giveaway. Now I understand some of you may already have a hole filler, and hopefully you have, because it's an awesome product and saves you an awful lot of heartache when you drop something down that handbrake hole. So if you have got one, don't worry, you can still enter. Obviously you can do whatever you want with that, don't care. You're more than welcome to still enter. However, I will be doing a non-car specific giveaway in the future. What I mean by that is, maybe I'm not going to start selling merch, don't worry, but I might do some merch for like private stuff, so like for giveaways for myself. And it would just be something simple, maybe a white little top with my crest, nothing over the top, so you don't have to wear like a massive car Rambles over the front or anything like that. It might just be a little white top with a little printed crest or an embroidered crest. And just something, you know, I can give to the people that maybe have some of the stuff that I'm giving away already. Obviously I can look at giving away, you know, lights and stuff like that in the future, which I hope to do. But obviously it's a money thing, so obviously at the minute I don't get anything in terms of money from YouTube. So all of this is currently my own money going into it. I don't get any money from ads or sponsors or anything like that, other than Because Race Car Box, which gives me like 50p a box. I think I got £1.50 for a whole month of sales. So that's the only money I get in terms of this YouTube channel. So obviously it's hard to live life and mod your car and make videos and keep that content going like I have been. So hopefully you guys can understand, you know, it's hard to do big giveaways. But hopefully you're happy with the current giveaway we've got going. And like, as I said before, there will be future giveaways that aren't car specific, maybe not, but that'll all be going on Instagram. So, like I said, the first way to win 3 of these is on YouTube. Subscribe, like, and leave the comment, which is above my head, down below. The final way is Instagram. So if you want to win one of these on Instagram, you're more than welcome to. All the rules and how to do it will be on my Instagram, which will appear here. So that'll be on my Car Rambles Instagram. There will be a post that goes up at the same time as this video. and it will be something like, I haven't made it up completely, but it will be the classic kind of make sure you're following me on Instagram, like the post and tag 3 people, something like that. And that is how you will win that one. So obviously if you want to, you can enter on YouTube, you can enter on Instagram. They are completely separate. So if you win one on Instagram and you win one on YouTube, good for you. You can fill 2 handbrakes worth of holes, or do whatever you want with them, don't mind. But anyway, massive thank you to DC3D Designs for supplying these. It's extremely kind of them. I have got a discount code floating around, but at the end of this giveaway, for anyone that hasn't won it or really wants one, there will be a big, probably the next video or the giveaway video, I'll give you guys a 10% off discount code. But I'm sure if you really look around or work it out for yourself, you'll already know the discount code. But obviously try and win these first, so make sure you enter these, try and win them first. If you can get a free one, perfect, and they'll get sent out to you first class the moment I've got your names. The way I'll get hold of you, I'll try and reply to your comments, so make sure you check out the comments. Obviously once I announce the big video, it'll be a video that gets announced, and it'll have everyone's names in it, and it'll all be picked completely random. I'm going to use like a YouTube random comment selector. You can find them on like Google and stuff. I'm just going to use one of them, so it'll be completely fair. No one will be handpicked, so it'll be completely random. So good luck guys. Remember, subscribe, like, comment down below, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video and in future videos. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.